Have you archived a couple of your Instagram posts, but you don't know how to get them back and unarchive them now? Then follow the steps in this video because I'll show you how to do that step by step. I've opened my Instagram app on iPhone or my Android phone. It doesn't matter because the steps are absolutely the same. The next thing which we'll do is to hop over to our Instagram profile page, and from here, we're going to access the settings page by tapping the three lines. Once we're here, under this How You Use Instagram section, there is this little archive option, so let's open that. Instagram gives us a couple of different archive sections. Mine currently shows me my Stories archive, but let's tap on the top and change this to the Posts archive. You can see which posts I've removed from my profile, so in order to get them back and unarchive them, I'm going to tap on the post to open it. Then locate these three dots at the right side of your post, and then you're going to click on this Show on Profile option. This is essentially the Unarchive button, and if I then go back over to my Instagram profile, the post will be visible, and you had successfully unarchived it.